Hello, everybody. Hello, and welcome to Visual Communication, the media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I hope you're excited today. We're reaching the end of week 4. My son he's just saying random words in the background, so that's good. Other than that, let's get started. So, this week we're finishing technical responses and how important technical responses are based upon visuals that are built for technical systems. Last week the last couple weeks we've talked about emotion or perceptual and sensory. This week we're finishing up on technical. So just to give you guys a quick announcement, I finished all your grades. Everything's up to date. If you have any questions, let me know. If there's anything I have missed grading, please contact me. Like from previous weeks, please let me know. That way I can finish that up. Other than that, just keep in mind you have a discussion due tonight. Your reply posts are due tonight. Your initial posts were due on Tuesday, so keep that in mind. Sunday, you have your lecture assignments and also your written assignment as well. So, and that's pretty much it. So let's get into it and let's talk about it. So we've been talking about technical responses and how visuals are built to create a positive user experience and a very positive response. So a lot of times companies come up with these set of rules or these guidelines that they call heuristics that they follow when they're creating technical visuals or technical systems like websites, video games, UI, user interfaces, whatever it is the deal, they have a set of like guidelines that they follow that when they're building it, they need to function this way. And I figured I'd take a look at Sharpen Productions and how they do their stuff. They're a website company as well, how they build websites. But it's really interesting when we take a look at some of these rules or these guidelines that they have called heuristics. They follow along the 5 major design principles, which are clarity, simplicity, proximity, engagement, navigation. And with this set of heuristics, these are a set of guidelines that help us follow and agree to or rules that a group of people or a set of organizations follow in order to create solid work. And let's take a look at Sharpen Productions. Sharpen Productions is a website design company, and they have 10 major rules. Now, note these are guidelines. They can be changed depending on the project, but these are just major like points to where they focus on a lot of times. So the first thing that they look at is simplicity. And obviously that ties into simplicity when we talked about it. Simple is beautiful, not cluttered, easy, ready to use. And design is important for them as well. Design is paramount. First impression, look and feel. And not only that, navigation should be intuitive, well organized with the top-down design. That's how you should build websites. They also focus on consistency, and this kind of goes with clarity and also with navigation. Each page should be consistent in organization, and colors as well. Colors are crucial. Strong, consistent palettes. Don't use all of it. If you try to use every single color, you just confuse the user, and that's what they try to focus on. Their 6th guideline or heuristic is make your website responsive. And in this version, this is more of a technical kind of guideline for them, where it must be accessible on all types of devices, like an iPhone, an Android, PC, PlayStation, whatever, however it goes with that. And the last 4 major rules kind of focus more on development aspects, but they do help out with their design, like develop for multiple browsers, make sure all types of main browsers can load the site, like Google, Bing, Firefox, etc. And then also clarity. Clarity is huge, right? So this rule is huge. When you check the site for errors, make sure your site is edited and there's no errors that confuse the user. And then another piece on their mind is write your own code because you have more control with your own code than templates. And then finally, don't forget the content. This is where engagement comes into play. With proper original content, you can engage users on a multiple level, and that's really huge. So these are just a good set of heuristics or guidelines that help guide people creating technical visuals that have a positive response. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you a heads up on heuristics and how they're used with technical responses and how people use them as a set of guidelines to focus on their designs. Other than that, that's all I got. So keep in mind, reply post due tonight, written assignment and lecture assignment due tomorrow. That's pretty much it. Keep an eye out for my announcements on Monday. That's all we got. All right, everybody, take it easy, be safe, have fun, enjoy, and I'll see everybody later. Bye-bye.